I want to learn German, but with my 9 to 5 job, it seems like a dream because I can't attend those regular classes. Is there any solution where I can fulfill my dream to learn German, and I want to go for my further studies to the German public universities? But with my 9 to 5 job, how to do this? So every day our team receives such messages in our DM like this university or this university, how to learn German online or offline, which platform is the best. So we are here with all your answers for all your queries. So Converselogix provide you the tailor-made programs to learn German easily. We have from A1, A2 to B1, B2. All the programs are available on our website where you can learn anywhere, anytime. If you are a child, if you are a school-going student, then we have a program from 4th standard to 10th standard. If you are a college-going student, then we have a different program for you. And if you are a working professional, no worries, we have a solution for you also. You can start your A1 learning journey with us today. So what are you waiting for? Just click on the link given below and start your German language journey with us today.